Sometimes you just have to change residences, no matter the circumstances. So if you absolutely have to move during the coronavirus pandemic, here are some pointers on how to do it safely. Before you move, choose car travel over air travel. If you are making a long-distance move, driving carries less risk of exposure to coronavirus than flying. Of course, wear a mask and wash your hands whenever you have to leave the car for food or gas, or to sleep. Carefully research your movers. Ask all prospective movers about their COVID-19 policies and practices. Make sure they are following strict sanitation guidelines. Use new cardboard boxes you pack yourself. The fewer items the movers touch during your move, the lower the risk of transmission. Don't use plastic bins either. The coronavirus can survive up to a day on cardboard, but 3 days on plastic. On moving day, time your move carefully. If possible, plan your move so that the crew drops off your belongings first. Then wait at least 72 hours to move yourself or your family into your new place. Disinfect all points of contact. As you come in and out of your new and old places, you'll need to frequently disinfect doorknobs and cabinet pulls, along with wearing a mask and gloves. After the move, wipe down your moving boxes and furniture. Play it safe. Give your boxes a good cleaning once they're placed in the appropriate rooms, and make sure to thoroughly wash your hands after handling any items the movers touched. Cancel or reschedule your move if you're sick. Feeling under the weather? Don't think twice about canceling or postponing your move. It's not worth putting others at risk.